The first time I walked into a farm, it changed my life. My heart wants to burst when I see that transition from dairy to sanctuary. These are two different worlds. To produce cheese or all these dairy products, yogurt, milk, we need pregnant mothers. We need to separate the babies from mothers so that we have a constant supply of lactating females. The baby females are going to just fall in line with that cycle, and the same thing will happen to them. Males will not be producing milk. So what do we do with them? Whether they're shot immediately or they're sold to veal farms, this is the reality of all dairy farms, large and small. I had no idea of any of these things because, like the majority of the public, I never asked those questions. This friend of a friend took me to a farmer that he knew who agreed to surrender me baby boys because he was just going to shoot them anyway. I had no idea what I was doing. I talked to a few veterinarians up here about what to be careful of. I lined the back seat of a car with a tarp and hay. Like babies, like infants, they sleep a lot. They slept the whole way. There was a bottle feeding in the middle of that. There's a lot of adrenaline going on during the rescue, but I think it was the next day when I woke up and then I got to see them in their home, frolicking a little bit. That's when I realized there was something to what I was doing. And then when I had someone else reach out asking if they could adopt, then the wheels started turning about, okay, how would I plan the next rescue? And then it just turned into another and another and another. I sort through emails and messages on social media, and I like to transport two together so they have each other. They're so very inquisitive about the environment around them and the beings around them. They just are very curious, peaceful creatures that seek to develop bonds. That's what they do. They seek to develop bonds, being a herd animal. They're all individuals, unique individuals who are going to thrive in these healthy environments. A lot of the farms, they actually don't want to shoot the babies. It's just, they look at it as necessary. Dairy farms, they're a business and they want to make money. And if you raise males to live a long, healthy life, it's just not possible. So they actually look at me as some kind of hero. I've had farmers contact me and I don't have homes. I get contacted frequently about babies that I can't rescue. So yes, I love to rescue and rescuing is amazing. But overall, I understand that I can't save them all. It's about telling their stories, showing people what's happening, that these babies are no different than the companion animals we love. People, they message me all the time that they've switched to oat milk or soy milk, or they finally ditched dairy. These majestic, beautiful creatures, that they make my job so easy. It's changed my whole life's trajectory.